It's Thursday, March 28th. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat, brought to you by Eric Potato of eXp Realty, your BC, Thompson, Okanagan, and Shuswap lakefront specialist. And we'll go into the long weekend with upbeat news for Canada's economy. StatsCan GDP data for January showing economic growth of 0.6%, which is far better than analysts were predicting. Manufacturing up sharply, while oil and gas and mining were down after 3 straight monthly gains. The latest update for job openings in the home and native land. StatsCan reporting little change for January at 632,000, although openings in retail are up sharply. BC still reporting the highest overall job vacancy rate among the provinces at 4.3%. Thank you for choosing one of Canada's most listened to business podcasts, heard around the world on X, TikTok, and wherever you get your favorite podcast. Canada's Business Beat is proudly sponsored by Eric Potato of eXp Realty. Considering a move to beautiful BC? Eric is your Thompson, Okanagan, and Shuswap lakefront specialist at OkanaganLakefrontProperties.com. Sea-Doo and Ski-Doo maker BRP treating its shareholders to a higher dividend despite showing a sharply lower fourth quarter profit of $188 million from $365 million a year ago. Still, the company dividend is going up from 18 to 21 cents a share. We may have another supply chain issue taking shape with news that cargo companies are looking for ways to avoid Montreal because of a possible port worker strike. The two sides last meeting in mid-January. Cost-cutting is the aim as consumer products giant Kimberly-Clark has just announced plans to split into 3 separate divisions. And for those counting, StatsCan is reporting that Canada's population growth last year was the most since 1957, up by 3.2% to nearly 40.8 million. Alberta topping the provinces with a 4.3% higher head count. And that will do it for your Thursday. Thank you for listening. We're off until Tuesday. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat.